trust, right? A trust is basically, you know, it works. Most of them work just like a stock, right? And the difference is, instead of owning a bunch of different businesses like a mutual fund, they own a bunch of different, you know, real estate holdings. So they might own bonds, right? They might own a combination of both, right? So for a lot of these REITs, real estate investment trusts, their value goes up and down with the stock market, regardless of you know what the underlying value of the assets are, right? Which, by the way, we
Right.
won't talk about this in detail, but mutual funds are, like, to me, the stupidest thing in the world. They they just don't make sense for a whole lot of reasons. But I want to answer your question about real estate investment trust. Stay on that topic for a while. There's other real estate investment trusts that actually you can see through in the trust to see what real estate they own, and they're valued not at what the net asset value of the trust is every day, but they're valued at what the net asset value of underlying real estate is. So if you want to own real estate, owning one of those type of REITs is a really good way to passively get into the real estate market, right? Because owning real estate's a great investment, but it's a hassle, right? You got to find the properties, and if you know, you got to take care of tenants, and you got to have property managers, and you know, there's all kinds of stuff. You're rewarded for it, but if you go back to my 5 qualities, you know, is it safe? Is it liquid? Is it great returns, tax? You know, but the last one is it passive. Owning real estate, the IRS calls it passive income, but you will not find one real estate investor on the planet that will call the real estate investment passive, right? They're like
Yeah.
that. They're like a good dog that you got to, you know, keep a collar on, because if you leave them in the front yard, they'll run away. Still a good dog. They're just going to run away unless you watch them, right? And so a REIT becomes a really easy way for somebody that's, you know, busy working. You know, they got a busy life. They're executives. They got kids. They got whatever, but they want to own real estate. So you have to find good REITs that will be most similar to owning real estate, so you can do it, right? So the answer is, yeah, there's good ones,
Yeah.
but there's probably more. Well, not probably. There's a whole bunch more bad ones than there are good ones.